how to install and sign in on JioMart app. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign in and install and sign in to your JioMart app. So before starting videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get more informative videos every day. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do to download this application, you have to go to this Play Store. You can see here, simply go to Play Store or App Store. Now here on the search bar, you have to write JioMart, and then here you can see JioMart official easy online shopping apps. So what you need to do here, it's simply you have to click on this install option, and then here you can see, let us check it out. This is 5 million plus download has been already successful. So let us just wait until it get download, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon of these channels so that you will get a more informative videos every day. Okay, so guys, finally it's done. So let us just click on open option, and then let us check it out how we can sign in on JioMart app. So this will be the first interface. Simply click on proceed option here, and then click on allow this. Now here you can see this type of interface will pop up. Simply click on this pin option. So let me just enter my pin, and then you can see we are currently not delivering at this location. We shall be back soon. So what you have to do here, sign into your address. So here simply click on sign into your address option, and then here this type of interface will pop up. So simply enter your phone number here. Okay, so after entering the phone number, you have to simply click on this option here, and then this type of interface will pop up. So you will receive a OTP. So you have to simply tap the OTP here, you can see. So before that, just simply give the name, okay, and then now email address. So let me just go for this email address, and then click on verify option, and then it's done. Sign up successfully. As you can see here, I have successfully signed up. So let me just click here, and then you can see here you can buy everything, grocery item. You can even buy the vegetable, fruits and vegetable. Here you can see it's pretty cool. I hope this video will absolutely help you out to sign in the on JioMart app. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.